Transform your space, romantic bedroom lighting secrets. Welcome to our guide on creating the perfect ambience. Today, we are focusing on romantic bedroom lighting ideas. Let's dive into how to transform your space into a romantic heaven. Soft, warm lighting is key to setting a romantic mood. Consider using dimmable lights that allow you to control the intensity and create a cozy atmosphere. String lights are a fantastic addition. Drape them across the headboard or ceiling to evoke a starry night feel, adding a touch of magic to your bedroom. Candles are synonymous with romance. Place them strategically around the room for a soft, flickering glow that instantly elevates the romantic vibes. Don't forget bedside lamps. Choose lamps with soft, fabric shades to diffuse the light gently, creating a warm and intimate setting. Fairy lights aren't just for holidays. Weave them into your bedroom decor for a whimsical and enchanting atmosphere that invites relaxation and romance. Consider using colored lights. Soft pinks or purples can enhance the romantic feel, but make sure they're subtle and not overwhelming. Floor lamps can add an elegant touch. Position them in corners to cast a gentle light across the room, complementing other lighting sources. Wall sconces are another great option. They provide a warm, ambient light and can be a stylish addition to your room's overall decor. Don't underestimate the power of natural light. Sheer curtains can diffuse daylight beautifully, maintaining a soft, romantic glow throughout the day. Let candles offer a safe alternative to traditional candles. They provide the same warm light without the risk, perfect for a worry-free romantic evening. Finally, consider smart lighting systems. They allow you to adjust color and brightness with ease, setting the perfect mood at the touch of a button. By integrating these romantic lighting ideas, you can transform your bedroom into a dreamy retreat. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!